Successful.
Is that a lagoon?
Pag nilakayan ko po yan, river na po yan.
A river is where you'll find your dead body pag hindi naging lagoon yan.
Powerful.
Know that you have yourself. Huwag kang umasa. Maniwala ka.
In control.
Don't you dare interrupt me pag akong nagsasalita. I am the CEO.
Until everything changes.
You have stage 3 cancer.
Doc, cancer lang ito. Hindi ako mababaliw sa cancer.
And she will meet her match.
Jaika, Dr. Vivian needs a private nurse. 24/7. Jaika's one of the best.
Pang-ilan ka sa nursing board exam?
Nasa 28 po.
Not even top 10.
Who will change the way she lives for the rest of her life.
Jaika, right?
Apo, but she calls me Tonta for short.
Kailangan niya si Albert. Do everything para mapauwi mo siya dito.
Hey, Mom.
Siguraduhin mong sa bahay titira si Albert habang nandito siya. Gawin mo! Ang tagal!
Sir Albert! Sandali! Stop! Look and listen!
May gusto ka ba sa anak ko?
Crush po yung anak niya.
Then crush that feeling.
Star Cinema opens 2016 with a heartwarming movie that will change everything you know about life and love.
Swerte mga magulang mo sa'yo. Ganito mo rin ba sila alagaan?
Angel Locsin,
Di ba sinabi ko naman sa inyo na wag na kayong umasa? Kasi dapat tanggapin na natin na hindi na babalik si nanay!
Zian Lim,
Pareho lang tayong galit sa nanay natin eh. We have all the right to be. They were never there for us.
and Miss Vilma Santos.
You're fired! Oh, you're fired!
Everything about her.
Baka kailangan ko nga talaga ng deadline. Sana lang wag masyadong mabilis.
Directed by Binibining Joyce Bernal.
Kunin mo na rin yung Balenciaga bag ko. Doon ko gusto sumuka uli.
Noted po.